Nancy, do you like to watch movies?
Yes, Susie, I do, but I don't have much time because I work a lot. What about you?
Well, I work in the morning and study in the afternoon. So I usually watch movies at night.
I see. And what kind of movies do you like to watch?
I usually like to watch romantic movies, comedies, or series on Netflix.
I love watching series too, but I only have time to watch them on weekends.
Sometimes I spend the whole weekend watching movies.
Oh, I don't like to spend a lot of time in front of the TV.
But, of course, I have other activities during the weekend too.
That's good. It is important to have outdoor activities, such as walking, practice some sports, hang out with friends, and so on.
Yes, I agree with you. I think I need to get out more.
I'm sure it will be very good for you.